Are you looking for the best air fryer to cook healthier meals faster and make your kitchen routine easier? Choosing the right air fryer can be challenging because some models have limited capacity, uneven cooking, or features that don't match your needs. In this video, we'll take a look at the top 5 best air fryers that offer crispy results, powerful performance, easy controls, great capacity, and excellent value for your money. We'll compare their cooking features, design, cleaning process, durability, and why they stand out from the competition. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and buying options. So stay tuned and watch until the end to find the perfect air fryer for your kitchen. Number 1. Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer. The Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer is a powerful 6-quart air fryer designed for faster and healthier cooking. With TurboBlaze technology, a 3,600 revolutions per minute fan, and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers crispy results with better heat circulation. Its PFAS-free ceramic coating provides a safer non-stick cooking surface, while the 9 cooking functions allow you to air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, dry, and more. The square 6-quart basket offers enough space for family meals without taking up too much counter space. The quiet operation, dishwasher-safe parts, and customizable temperature control make it convenient for everyday cooking. However, it may feel large for smaller kitchens. Pros: heavy checkmark powerful TurboBlaze heating. Heavy checkmark PFAS-free ceramic coating. Heavy checkmark 9 cooking functions. Heavy checkmark large 6-quart capacity. Heavy checkmark quiet operation. Heavy checkmark easy cleanup. Cons: takes up counter space. No smart home support. Higher price than basic models. Final verdict: the Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer is an excellent choice for families and anyone wanting fast, crispy meals with less oil. Its powerful performance, safety-focused coating, and versatile cooking options make it one of the better air fryers available. Number 2. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines an air fryer, toaster oven, and convection oven in one. With 1,800 watts of power and 8 cooking functions, it can air fry, bake, broil, toast, grill, and warm food easily. Its Air Advantage technology helps circulate hot air for crispy results, while the 0.6 cubic foot capacity provides enough space for 6 slices of toast, a 12-inch pizza, or a whole chicken. The stainless steel design gives it a premium look and feel. The manual dial controls are simple to use, but some users may prefer a digital touchscreen. Cleanup also requires more attention compared to basket-style air fryers. Pros: heavy checkmark 8-in-1 cooking functions. Heavy checkmark powerful 1800W performance. Heavy checkmark large cooking capacity. Heavy checkmark stainless steel build. Heavy checkmark great for air frying and baking. Heavy checkmark includes grill and accessories. Cons: manual controls only. Takes more counter space. Hand wash recommended. Final verdict: the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a great choice for anyone wanting an all-in-one appliance for cooking, baking, and air frying. Its large capacity and versatility make it ideal for families and everyday kitchen use. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 4 Cutie Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 4 Cutie Mini Air Fryer is a compact and versatile appliance designed for small kitchens, apartments, and quick everyday meals. It offers 6 cooking functions including air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat. With 1,600 watts of power, adjustable temperature control up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and even crisp technology, it delivers crispy food with up to 95% less oil than traditional frying. The touchscreen controls and one-touch programs make cooking simple for beginners. The 4-quart capacity is perfect for individuals, couples, or small families, but larger households may find the basket size limiting. Pros: heavy checkmark compact space-saving design. Heavy checkmark 6 cooking functions. Heavy checkmark easy touchscreen controls. Heavy checkmark even crisp crispy results. Heavy checkmark dishwasher safe basket. Heavy checkmark great for small families. Cons: limited 4 cutie capacity. Not ideal for large meals. No smart home features. Final verdict: the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 4 Cutie is a great mini air fryer for anyone who wants fast, easy, and healthier cooking without taking up much counter space. It delivers reliable performance and excellent convenience for everyday meals. Number 4. Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a powerful 8-in-1 countertop appliance that combines air frying, roasting, baking, toasting, broiling, dehydrating, and warming in one compact design. With 1,800 watts of power and digital crisp control technology, it provides precise temperature and airflow for consistent cooking results. It heats quickly with a 60-second preheat and can cook full meals faster than a traditional oven. Its flip-up design is a standout feature, allowing you to store it upright and save counter space. The large capacity fits a 13-inch pizza, 9 slices of toast, or multiple servings, making it great for families. Pros. Heavy checkmark 8-in-1 cooking functions. Heavy checkmark space-saving flip-up design. Heavy checkmark fast 60-second preheat. Heavy checkmark large cooking capacity. Heavy checkmark includes multiple accessories. Heavy checkmark great air frying performance. Cons. Takes up space when in use. Interior height is limited. Controls are not fully touchscreen. Final verdict. The Ninja SP101 is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a versatile countertop oven that saves space while replacing multiple appliances. Its fast cooking, large capacity, and flip-away design make it one of the best air fryer toaster ovens. Number 5. CHEFMAN 2QT Mini Air Fryer. The CHEFMAN 2QT Mini Air Fryer is a compact and affordable air fryer designed for quick meals, small kitchens, and 1 to 2 people. Its small footprint makes it easy to store while still delivering crispy results with little to no oil. The digital touchscreen allows easy temperature and time adjustments up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, while the shake reminder helps improve cooking results. The non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple after every use. With 900 watts of power, it is great for snacks, reheating, and small portions, but the 2-quart capacity may be too small for families. Pros. Heavy checkmark compact space-saving design. Heavy checkmark digital touch controls. Heavy checkmark shake reminder feature. Heavy checkmark dishwasher safe basket. Heavy checkmark uses less oil. Heavy checkmark great for small meals. Cons. Small 2QT capacity. Lower power than larger models. Not ideal for families. Final verdict. The CHEFMAN Mini Air Fryer is a great choice for students, couples, and anyone with limited kitchen space. It offers simple controls, easy cleanup, and reliable air frying performance at an affordable price.